Welcome to the 2025 Ad Manager Video Highlights video, where you'll hear all about the exciting plans for 2025. We'll explore key strategies and features that will empower you to monetize, engage, and innovate with your video content. Let's get started with an overview of what we have planned for the first half of 2025. The CTV landscape is evolving rapidly. In today's market, connecting a diverse range of demand partners to a vast network of devices is just one part of the challenge. CTV programmers and distributors need to go beyond basic metrics to leverage granular data that showcases the true value of their inventory and audiences. Publishers to demonstrate Publishers need to demonstrate audience engagement, content relevance, and ad effectiveness. Additionally, as live CTV programming continues to grow, our partners need to maintain a smooth TV-like viewing experience while delivering targeted ads in real time. Publishers need the right technology to maximize ad revenue from their ad breaks, engage with their viewers, and innovate their ads business. Our CTV strategy and solutions are organized into three key buckets to help you make the most of your content and inventory with Google Ad Manager. The first pillar is monetize. Monetizing across all screens with our unified ad serving solutions, which are plugged into the full suite of available demand and leverage flexible and tech leverage flexible ad tech integrations that you need to run your business. The second pillar is engage. Improved engagement with your viewers through customer ad experiences and controls over the viewing experience. The last pillar is innovate. We'll continue to innovate in areas impacting your sales and ad operations with a particular focus on insights that help you better manage your business and capabilities to improve buyer awareness and discovery of your inventory. Let's dive deeper into each pillar and explore the specific solutions and strategies that will drive CTV success. Let's begin by focusing on monetization. This is a critical aspect of your video business, and we're constantly working on to enhance our offerings in this area. In the first half of 2025, we are aiming to accelerate monetization by advertising our on-platform mediation solutions. This includes extending monetization opportunities across more OEMs, increasing incremental demand, and providing more control over programmatic deals. Key initiatives include advanced server-side unwrapping and launching open bidding direct pay. We're also investing in PAL solutions and standalone premium partner inventory Buyflow via Google Ads Premium Beta. These advancements maximize publishers' revenue potential, giving publishers the tools and control publishers' needs to thrive in the competitive CTV landscape. Let's take a closer look at some of the launches we can expect over 2025. Programmatic is organic to Ad Manager. You are able to seamlessly tap into direct and indirect demand from Google authorized buyers, which gives you immediate access to hundreds of partners in one place. High quality aggregated demand from partners including Google Display Ads, Display and Video 360, third-party DSPs and networks, as well as fully integrated third-party SSPs via open bidding, previously known as exchange bidding, is all at your fingertips. Upcoming features are designed to further enhance your monetization capabilities and provide you with more control and flexibility. We are progressing with server-side unwrapping, or known as SSU, and we're moving towards a beta release while also developing extended features. As you know, SSU is crucial for reducing latency and maximizing yield by resolving fast redirect server side. This ensures we can accurately assess bids and optimize ad selection in real time. We're also making strides with open bidding direct pay. This is a crucial initiative to address concerns around supply path optimization, or also known as SPO, and provide you with more direct control over your payment relationships with SSPs. Vast redirects are very common in ad serving, but unfortunately often respond empty, wasting inventory and increasing latency. As a result, server-side unwrapping of redirects has been one of the highest and biggest requests across the globe, and we are very excited to give the powerful tool to publishers to improve their yield. This new feature allows publishers to target what inventory they want to unwrap server-side. When opted in, all redirects and inventory shares will be resolved prior to finalizing the ad response, meaning Ad Manager will have full visibility into responses by third-party ad servers and can ensure empty redirects are not included. Included in this visibility in the real-time this visibility in the real-time prices sent by a third-party SSP. With all this extra transparency into advanced redirect, a Google Ad Manager can pull out a valid creative, ensures frequency capping and comp exclusions, and run a real-time auction, unified auction on platform. SSU and DP will simultaneously improve revenue by allowing us to optimally pack pods across all demand sources while decreasing latency by parallelizing these callouts by using the same best-in-class unwrapping as our DAI. As we move into 2025, we will have exciting new features being launched within the server-side unwrapping functionality, including podded support for unwrapping across a full pod, enhanced reporting for more bidder transparency, and publisher experimentations to test SSU uplift across your inventory. We're already seeing exceptional results in experiment with meaningful improvements to publisher revenue. These results are coming soon. Open Bidding Direct Pay feature builds upon the core benefits of open bidding by adding direct payment from SSPs to publishers. This addresses the increasing advertiser appetite for direct inventory in the supply chain. Like standard open bidding, publishers using direct payment will still benefit from a unified auction with real-time bidding and streamlined ad ops with simple trafficking, centralized reporting, and advanced creative control. Key benefits include new payments model to align with existing payments processes with your SSP partners. Publishers instead receive payments from SSPs. Full value bids. Open bidding bids are no longer reduced by a revenue share and compete as submitted. Google charges publishers a flat CPM technical fee after the auction. SPO friendly, publisher inventory is classified as, in quotation, publisher in SSP's sellers.json's file versus, between quotations, intermediary, which can unlock demand from SPO conscious bidders. Ad Manager 360 publishers and each of their open bidding SSPs must choose to have a direct payments relationship. Google Ad Manager upgraded private auction feature provides enhancement to help you streamline your deal-making workflows across deal types and reduce operational overhead. The updates follow an extensive UX research phase in 2024. Thank you if you have helped in shaping this product. What's new? The beta will release key functionality on top of the known private auction deal type. The updates include a streamlined setup process in the Ad Manager user interface, an API for a seamless integration with partners' primary booking tools, the ability to copy and bulk edit deals, more flexible deals to targeting to accommodate advertiser requirements, inventory targeting to allow for PAs across web and app and inventory, traffic forecasting status labels, and improved troubleshooting for greater ad ops efficiency. We are planning to release more features following the full release later in 2025. Marketplace packages, or MPP, provides publishers with easy-to-use functionality, enabling DSPs and buying partners to transact indirectly for premium CTV/OTT inventory, while helping scale their value through streamlined packaging and automated access to incremental demand with auction controls. Key benefits include MPP is access within private auction pair within private auction part of the Google Ad Manager UI under deals. Packages are automatically published to DV360 plus authorized buyers marketplaces for immediate discovery. Publishers can choose between creating a public package that is available to all buyers or create an exclusive package that is only available to publisher selected buyers. With Google Ads demands, your packages will now be available to Google Ads buyers, and they can buy these packages in a new self-service Buyflow that is unified with YouTube Select. We're planning a CTV publisher buying option in H2 2025, and Google Ads buyers will have the option to buy single packages from CTV network partners. With agency seats and agency deals, we improve how you can manage agency spend in your network. Prior to agency seats, agencies had to execute their spend within each DSP's seat or a child seat. This created friction in workflows compared to other SSPs in the workflow, deal creation, troubleshooting, and reporting. The goal of giving agencies their own UI is to consolidate workflows within the SSP to create a holistic experience across all participating SSPs. The primary way this benefits a publisher are as follows. Create a universal ID with multi-seat deals. This is different from prior experiences of needing to create a unique deal ID per DSP seat. Save time with a single reporting interface with all authorized buyer spend across DSP. Agencies will be able to run a report within our UI instead of running an individual DSP UIs, easily troubleshoot deals with the same real-time breakout available to DSPs. Agency seats and deals are already available to any agency. We continue to build additional features within this seat. Direct versus reseller reporting is expected to launch by the end of the year. This will give agencies a tool to see how much of their spend runs on reseller inventory as defined by ads.txt. This is direct response to feature requests from agencies. We know it is important for them to understand how much inventory they are buying from resellers. Ad Manager curation creates added value on your inventory by allowing buyers to find their audience or contextual segments on your inventory. Your inventory also has the ability to be a part of third-party curated inventory packages, driving incremental demand by including you in a smaller set of publishers. A buyer activates their auctions spend on. When a buyer moves their targeting to curate, publishers get more transparency and control through UI controls to opt your inventory in or out of curate targeting. DSPs do not provide controls for publishers. Transparency, we are looking to build a reporting for a buyer usage of data segments to facilitate PMP discussions. Frictionless, no longer is the need to upload advertiser to Ad Manager or license from DMPs. We know the complicated nature of OTT and the extensive amount of environments you need to successfully monetize your content. We have you covered with a variety of ad insertion options from server side to client side, full service SDK to lighter weight coding, depending on your business and endpoint requirements. For a full service monetization solution, which does the heavy lifting to protect, measure, and monetize your inventory, we offer IMA SDK for client side or Google DAI for IMA for a server side. Both solutions have access to demand from Google Ads advertisers. If you are using an ad server or SSAI technology outside Google Ad Manager, but still want Google to power your video monetization and gain access to Google Ads demand, we offer pod serving or programmatic access library to work alongside your existing setup. Our goal is to work with you and drive the growth of your video business when and where you need us. That is why in 2025 we're continuing our SDK investments in launching across across new OEMs. Now, moving into the first half of 2025, we have several significant updates. We are focusing on server-side unwrapping, audit support, and reporting support. These enhancements will benefit publishers with higher revenue, lower latency, fewer errors, granular publisher control over data, and support for first-look inventory shares. We're also launching open bidding plus direct pay, which are discussed earlier, which is an SPO-friendly mediation solution that allows direct payment from SSPs. We are working on the following: a streamlined deal-making process through a revamped private auction, improving efficiency and advanced targeting with enhanced private auction. We're bringing the programmatic access library to LG Smart TVs, enabling publishers to monetize their LG Smart TV inventory with Google Ads demand, developing and providing SDKs specifically for Samsung and LG Smart TVs to enable publishers to implement the AI on those platforms. Pod position targeting for deals is a feature that allows publishers to target specific deals to specific positions within an ad pod. We're adding support for the latest version of the RTV standard 2.6, which includes specific specifications for handling of ad pods. This will allow for more efficient and accurate handling of ad requests and bids for video pods, ensuring that all participating systems, including DSPs and SSPs, are communicating using same standardized format for podded inventory. Improvement to agency seats and deals, which will allow publishers to negotiate, manage, and monitor programmatic advertising activities of all agency partners across multiple demand side platforms. Through inventory curation, we are allowing agencies to discover and target their desired contextual and audience segment in their buyer account through direct integration with data providers, inventory curators, and agency data arms. For H2, we're planning server-side unwrapping with publisher experiments that includes open bidding plus direct pay data, priority customization for non-guaranteed demand, and vast tags for real-time pricing and optimized yield. This roadmap is designed to enhance your monetization capabilities and provide a greater control and flexibility in your video ad management and operation. In the next video, my colleague will present on the topic Engage. Watch the provided video for more information. Thank you.